Hey guys, Super Cool Justin here with a review. Today we're looking at Transformers Dark of the Moon Deluxe Class Air Raid. Now, Air Raid is what's known as an AWAC jet. I use AWAC very loosely. These jets are used in the military for searching for enemy movement. And the radar dish can become a gun. I've had this figure before, but like I mentioned in previous reviews, this isn't the first time I've had my figure. It's the second. I lost both his tail fins and his fist, which can be clearly visible right there. Air Raid's transformation is stupid, but simple. Flip out these panels from behind the nose cone. Flip that up. Take these fold in the lower landing gear, keep the nose gear out. Pull out these panels from underneath the belly of the plane. Pull the top of the plane up, split it across the body. Flip out his heels. Pick the winglets, put them out to the side. Bring the arms down. Take the other arm, fold it down, and push in the tail fins in like a club. Put the winglets up. Take the nose cone of the plane, push it up. Take the panels of the nose cone, pull them down. And here we have Air Raid in his robot mode. Oopsie. Almost forgot to put the winglets together. Now, Air Raid is one of my favorite characters from the Dark of the Moon line. Just because that his gun can become a Roman gladiator shield, which is pretty awesome. I mean, this guy does look like a Roman gladiator. He has that aesthetic. But let's be honest. This guy looks awesome. He does have light piping. White light piping behind his head here. But I don't have a flashlight on me right now, so thanks for watching, guys. Super Cool Justin signing off.